Hello and welcome to part 2 of how to make a 3-page Keynote presentation. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add transitions. This is where when your slide changes from slide to slide, you'll have a neat little transition. It'll break up or turn into cubes. I can also do the neat transitions with the pictures also, so you're going to see some pictures today. So here's your first slide on the bottom. You'll notice it's highlighted in blue down here. When it's highlighted in blue, that means that that's the slide you're working on. We want to add a transition with this picture. We want the picture to come in real, make it exciting. So I'm going to touch and hold it. It gives me the menu. I'm going to select animate, and I'm given 2 blue circles. I'm going to press the first blue circle. I'm going to make a selection of a sort of a transition I want. I'm just going to pick any one. I'm not even checking. So, and then I go back up, touch and hold again on the number 1, and I've given another blue circle. It says none. I'll select that. Given another menu. This one I'll just make it blinds, and I'm good now. I'd like to go up here to the first slide, and I want to make a transition for the slide to transition from this slide into the next. So I'm going to touch and hold, let go. And now I'm given a blue circle. So right there, the blue circle. Press the blue circle. And I'm going to select another transition for this. We'll go for a droplet on that one. Okay. Now to get rid of the menu, I go and touch the gray frame that makes the menu go away. I'm ready to now proceed to the second frame. In order to highlight it in blue, I'll just touch and hold and then let go. And now I am working on the second frame. See how it's highlighted in blue. So I want to add a transition for my picture today. And this is that picture of that shirt for Valentine's Day. And if you remember, every day is Valentine's Day, said a wise person somewhere. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to touch and hold it and pull up my menu. Oh, and here's my menu. It's cut from the menu. The menu's been cut out, and I go straight to adding transitions. And if you remember earlier, my earlier video, here's that blue ribbon across the top. If I wanted to get a menu and I didn't get it, I could press none or done in the corner. Now I'm back to now it's turned black. Now if I want to add a transition to this picture again without the blue on the top, I simply touch and hold, and brings up my menu. I then select animate. The ribbon goes blue on the top, and I have my 2 blue circles. So I'm going to add a transition here for my shirt. I'm going to let it come in with the flame. And I want to go out with fireworks. Do we have fireworks? You know what? I'm going to go flame again. All right, so we're good with that. Now I like to go up here to the second frame. I want to transition my frame, so I touch and hold and let go. I'm given a yellow circle that says, a blue circle that says none. I'm going to touch it. There's my menu. I'm going to go ahead and make a selection off of here. I have it flipped. I'm happy with that. Right now I'm going to touch the gray frame to get rid of the menu. I'm going to now touch the final slide in order to add transitions to it. Okay, it's highlighted in blue. We're ready to work with it. I want the shirt to come in with another transition. So I went ahead and I touched it once. Since I already have the blue ribbon on top, I skip my menu and I come right to the blue circles. My first one, I want this shirt to come in with, what should I do on this one? We'll have it pop in. And then to go out, we will have it go out with confetti. Okay? And I also want to transition this slide, so I touch and hold this slide, let go. I'm given my blue circle, so people say, and I go ahead and find the way I want to go out. I want to go out with cubes. I've now added transitions for every slide and every picture. I'd like to see what we've done. So touch the gray frame to get rid of your menu. Come up here to the plus sign, press play. There's your first frame. Let's see what we've got here. And you know what I did? This is one of those things where you learn. I started on the third frame, the third slide, because that's highlighted. Always highlight the first slide before you start your movie. Now let's try it again. Here we go. Ooh. Ah. I can see that. That is very good for Valentine's Day. Yep, that sure does make me smile. And that's the end of your presentation with transitions.